XTLtouch is an enhanced all-in-one security system offering flexible features and functionality. The XTLtouch can communicate via Wi-Fi and cellular communication. When the XTLtouch is powered up, it will automatically begin searching for Wi-Fi networks to join. Refer to the router installation instructions to enable WPS and securely pair the XTLtouch to the Wi-Fi network. When successfully connected to Wi-Fi, the XTLtouch will display a Wi-Fi icon on the top row of the keypad. After the cellular communicator has been set up and activated in Dealer Admin, it will automatically connect to the cellular network when the XTLtouch is powered up. The XTLtouch is now ready to be programmed. For more information on the XTLtouch or to watch more videos like this, visit dmp.com.